guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 28th, 2022. We have a few days to go till end of the year. No, it's the edition of Monday, December the 5th, 2022, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I've decided to solve this old edition, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 1 star, in Dutch they call it Cypher block, and this one, apologies, and this one will be the second one. It's the Sudoku with 2 stars, and this will be number 5702. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one less than the previous puzzle. 26 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. We have 8 in this row. First row. 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. The 8 in the third column, the 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. Then 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. We have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2, okay. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about? Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. It should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. Here 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. Alright. And now. Well. How about? 9, okay. 1 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the last row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 9, okay. Alright. Well, 4, 6, and a 9. Okay. 1. Thinking. 9. Yeah. 2. 2, 4, and 6. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the last column, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last row for number 4. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the middle row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the last column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. So 1 to go. Okay, 1 to go. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, well, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between and the middle column, now only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the middle row. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then 2 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Right. Then 9, 3 and a 4, 9, 3 and 4. 4, 1, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 1 in the third row. So no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So the 2 numbers left are the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. Then let me see. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. 3, okay. Well, 4 and the 5. Well, 4, 5 and the 9. 5, 5. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. 4, 9 and the 3. 3, 3. Alright. I need to wait. Come on. What's the next step? 4, 9 and 1. 1. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, 4, and the 5 are missing. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, with a 3 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with a 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.